Recovery Recipes, a short bite-sized video advice for hospitality businesses. I'm Mark Elliott, MD of marketing agency Sparks for Growth. We specialise in marketing for hospitality sector. Each expert in these short videos will share with you their crucial ingredients to help you and your business create a successful recovery recipe. Today, I'm delighted to be joined by Dr. Satwant Singh, who is an accredited CBT therapist and training. Hi, Satwant.
Hello, Mark.
What advice would you offer to hospitality professionals regarding staff and customers to help them recover in the next few weeks and months?
I think what was most important, actually, we need to acknowledge the impact of the virus that's had on people at many levels. We have to be mindful of that. And also, the key thing is that it's about the reassurance about safety of the staff and of customers coming into the environment again. And I think as employees, the key thing is that you need to be really mindful of supporting your staff and making sure security in terms of their employment and the security that they're going to be working in a safe environment. Because within the hospitality business, you are dealing with direct contact with customers and also an environment where customers have been. You have to make sure that environment is safe for both parties as such.
Great. And what practical tip would you give to help, say, a restaurant or hotel owner to actually make their staff feel comfortable and secure from a sort of like a psychological point of view?
So I think, first of all, the most important thing is that actually, as employers, is to have a communication, direct communication with staff, checking with staff. First of all, before they even start business, is actually having a session just with your staff to talk about what's their experience have been, what are their fears, what are the concerns, and working together as a team. How do they mitigate some of their fears? I think that's very, very important. It needs a two-way process. And also, I think as employers, they need to be listening to their staff, and staff need to be feeling confident enough to feedback to the employees to say, actually, I need more help. I need more support in this area, or I feel comfortable or uncomfortable. And how do we make it a safer environment for everyone?
Absolutely, absolutely. And you'd be available to give some advice on that, I guess, if anyone would like your professional help on that matter.
Yeah, I'm more than happy to help anyone or support individuals if they need to, in terms of helping them to restart back and also giving them some practical advice how to do that.
That's wonderful. Thank you, Satwant. And if anyone wants to contact Satwant, please go to LinkedIn and search for Dr. Satwant Singh. I think from me and Satwant, we'd like to wish you all the best to restart and hope today's recovery ingredient helps you on your journey. Find more ingredients and recipes like this following the hashtag Recovery Recipe 2020. Thank you, everyone, and thank you today, Satwant.